right, like I told you, like I promised you, since this is your favorite topic, we went ahead and made this one 2 videos. Woohoo! All right, so this is video 12.1, Algebra 2, Linear Equations, Part 2. All right, so I'm going to put an equation up here, a linear equation, in standard form. All right, x plus 3y equals negative 15. Okay, that's what they call standard form. Real quick review of standard form. Standard form is an equation where the x term is first, then the y term, and then it's set equal to c. So that's standard form. You've heard slope-intercept form. This is standard form. The x term is first, then the y term, then set equal to number. We're going to take this example and we're going to put it in slope-intercept form, and then we're going to graph it. Okay, here's your dotted line, because you know I love my dotted line. You're going to subtract x from both sides. You got 3y equals negative x minus 15. Okay, everybody's with me? Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Y equals, remember how there was that negative x here, so that's a negative 1. So your slope, the fraction, is negative 1/3. Keep the x, all right, and then negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. All right, and I like to do this in terms of money, okay? So your slope, okay, which is x's coefficient, negative 1/3 is not good news. It means every 3 hours you're losing $1, okay? Every 3 hours you're losing $1. So that's not good. Your line's going down, your money's going down. More bad news, and then your bank account, your B value, says you're starting with 0, negative 5, so you actually have negative $5 in your account. Okay, so far are you with me? Okay, we're good. All right, so then I'm going to pull up the graph paper, and we're going to graph your B value first. Just get in the habit of doing that, and I'm going to put it on this graph right here, 0, negative 5. Okay, let me zoom in on my graph paper. All right, so I'm going to graph 0, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where your bank account is starting, okay? And then you are losing $1 every 3 hours. So from this point, you go down 1, you're losing $1 every 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect your 2 points. Let's look at this and see how you can kind of tell if the answer is right. You know, like a quick check. I just want to show you a couple of features. Number 9, this was the original problem, okay, in standard form. Look, you have an x and a y. So if you have an x and a y, it's got to be diagonal, okay? When we solve for y, we got the slope, remember, of losing $1 every 3 hours, so then your line should be falling down, and your line is falling down, okay? We're good? What's that? You want to try one more? Okay, let's try another one. I'll spin this paper over. All right, let's say I give you 4x plus y minus 1 equals 0. Okay, it's an interesting one. Okay. All right, so you want to put it in slope-intercept form. All right, so you're going to move the 1 to both sides. So now you have 4x plus y equals 1. So see, now you have it in standard form. It's interesting how they did this one. Remember standard form? Standard form is the x term, then the y term. Okay, but to put it in slope-intercept form, we're going to subtract 4x from both sides. And now you have y equals negative 4x plus 1. Fun stuff. All right, let's talk money. Your money situation is not looking too good. You are losing $4 every hour. Okay? What's that? Yes, but the good news is at least you're starting with money in your bank account where B is 0 and 1. Okay? Excellent. All right, so you're starting with $1, but you're losing $4 every 1 hour. Now we're going to graph this baby. Here we go, here we go. All right, let the fun begin. All right, here we go. So I'm going to start at 0, 1. That was my department head came in, brought some stuff, hopefully fun stuff. All right, starting at having $1 in your bank account, And then look, you're losing $1, $2, $3, $4 an hour. And then I'm gonna go ahead and connect. Man, what is up with all of these negative slopes, man? You know what I'm saying? But again, you had a negative slope, so it should be falling to the right. Okay, I hope this helps. Linear equation madness. Good to see you.